Hi guys, get ready with me while I tell you about my day at school with my sister.
Guys,
So first,
I look like I'm small, but I'm not small. I'm 10 and 8. So I need to wear makeup. You know me, I love makeup.
okay, whatever. So let me tell you about my school. So today I had period detention because the other children was being naughty. So today I had PSW and I got like 13. I got 14 out of 30 guys.
I got 30 out of 10.
10 out of 30 you mean?
I mean, 10 out of 30. Those of them. 10 out of 30.
Okay, whatever. Let's wash my face and then so guys, I picked my cloth and
It's actually my clothes.
yeah, I picked the cloth and let me tell you something. Next week Monday I'm going to Lansdowne already and it's like very close to my school. So almost my friend group is going with me, Scott, Zakir, those are my cousins, Lisa, my friend, Connor, and Latham.
Who's Latham?
My friend is like my brother.
Guys,
Okay,
so now,
next, I'm putting on this.
guys, if you see this, please give it this a
like and subscribe.
like and comment what's your name.
And we'll tag you in our next video.
And we're gonna write the name on the video. Whoever comment, so write your name right now on the Zarley
channel. Okay,
channel.
I'll be right back and then yeah. Guys, I'm done. So the last thing I'm using is this. First I'm gonna use my Vicks. Trying to open this thing. I'll be back. Okay, never mind. I got it open. Coming back. Put another